what's up? Welcome to Cakes by Anna. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to make black chocolate cake, for which you require 1 cup of all-purpose flour, a teaspoon of baking powder and baking soda, a pinch of salt, 1 egg, 1 cup of powdered sugar, half a cup of cocoa powder, 1/3 cup of melted butter, 1 cup of boiling water and a teaspoon of vanilla extract. And like always, the link for the written recipe is given in the description box below. You can go and check that out. And if you like this video, do subscribe to my channel and hit the like button. And now let's get started. Thank you so much for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed it. Do give this recipe a try and comment down below how it turned out to be. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and I'll see you in my next video.